Oh, and this is for Grant, since it's so early in the morning. I forgot. This is regular dishwasher hose that you can buy at Home Depot. You go in there in their PVC section, and they have all this stuff rolled up in 20-30 foot rolls, and you can buy it by the 10 foot, or you can buy it by the foot. You can buy all kinds of different kind of hoses. I bought this hose mainly, it's clear, it fits my fittings, and it might be a little bit cooler. And then one other thing I want to ask any of my subscribers out there, have you ever used one of these aluminum finned in-hose coolers that have all the little fins on them? They come in red, blue. They're really overpriced. They're like 20 bucks and takes them about 15 cents to make them. But if they're good inner hose coolers, I might buy them. They come in about 2 inches wide, and then there's one that's about 4 inches wide, and they come in green, blue, red, silver, and they have little tiny ridges and fins on them for cooling, which sounds like a great idea. But if it works, I don't know. If I don't need it, I don't need it. So the front tire's all connected. Thanks, Grant, for having me make this video. I gotta put in the speedometer, and I've got to fill this up little by little and put the overflow bottle on it. It's kind of a weird day. It's supposed to be nice and sunny, and it's a little bit windy and a little bit cloudy, which is fine because, hell, I'm out here in my bathrobe, and hopefully you can't see that too much. But I'm lifting weights, and I'm going to be really good looking in no time. Alright. Operation DIO. We continue.